Hi guys, we're gonna take you for a tour of this newly discovered place where we cut our forages. This is a very wide area, so I'm gonna be climbing up. Right. Okay, so these playboys here are gonna take us for a tour. Alright, this is the place. Very nice, very nice. Lots and lots of forages. You can actually put in here 200, 300 goats and your goats would never go hungry. So these are the cut branches where we got our forages. This will also be salvaged by other people for them to sell. Yes, this one. This will be used as a fire starter. Okay. So these are the playboys. They take us for a tour. So these are actually the forages that we would cut. Okay, just be careful. Alright. It's like a jungle. Oh my god. So many forage. Asa mo yung mag-cut dire? Hindi rin mo nag-cut? Naghan na nakuha ninyo, no? So probably part 2 of this video, we're gonna take you to the other area. This is just one area where the boys cut the forage. So we're gonna be moving on the west side. Alright. These guys are the jungle playboys. They know very well the place because they also cut forages in here for their livestock. Alright. So look at the place. So many forage. Maybe in the next video we're gonna tour you to the other part. So that will be it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe and hit that ring a bell icon for you to be notified of our next video. So thank you so much. Bye.